What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful MG4 EV that we have right in front of us here. Now just check how gorgeous this color looks, man. If it's bright, if it's in a bright color like this, it definitely stands out in many ways, man. Now we will get right to the details of how gorgeous this car looks in terms of the front lights, including the interior, which I love, with the orange. So let's start off with the amazing front lights before we get right to any other things. Okay, so let's start off with the gorgeous appearance of the front sharp front lights that we see right here. Damn, look at that, man. Dude, I love the gaps, as I mentioned, between the front lights. I'll turn them on shortly in a while more to show you, but those are your main headlights. These, I believe, should be your turn indicators located right here. And I like how they have this LED lighting system, SAIC. Very cool. SAIC Vision, it says right there, so that's kind of cool. Now the bottom right here, you do get this aggressive looking front bumper with this gloss black lining at the side. Got this matte finish right here, and also you get this gloss black finish right here, so I like it a lot. And this should be your tow hook where it goes, and down here they got this matte finish like texture for your whole front bumper, the front lip, and you get this carbon fiber design like finish for the side right here. Can you see that from the camera? I believe you can see it, right? That's damn cool, man. So I love the lines that are happening over here for air to flow through to cool down the battery also. At the same time, you get your MG number plate right here. Of course, your number plate goes right here, and that's very, very cool indeed. Love how they have this orange part right here as well. Very cool. And also you do get your amazing front hood in this design, like very, very sharp and angular. I also like this line that goes in and goes out, so it's very, very pointy and very, very sharp. Love the bright finish chrome like MG badging for the car. Looks absolutely gorgeous, man. Okay, now let's move down to the side and what you notice is, first thing, you get your 17-inch wheels that we have right there. Love it. Tire size is 215/50 R17. You got this two-tone finish happening right here. You do get the gloss black on this side, you got the silver lining on that side, and solid disc brakes at the back together with your brake calipers located right there. So at the side, you do get this matte finish at the bottom right here. From the front all the way to the back, you do get the carbon fiber like texture design all the way to the back. And once again, love how it's splitting up and having all these lines. That's damn cool, man. Very, very nice. So the side of the mirrors, of course, they are in this black finish, this gloss black top. The bottom right here is in this matte finish, and also at the side right here is also in this matte textured like black finish that's happening all over the car. Very nice indeed. Now let's hop right into the driver's side. Let's open up the doors. First thing you notice is that the interior, of course, is in black, and you do get your hard plastic happening right here. Handle goes right there, gloss black finishing right here. Handle goes right here to pull to close the door, and you do get your matte finish like texture. Window adjustments, you have your leather all over here together with your blue stitching. So if it's a white interior, you got the orange stitching. If it's a black interior, you got the blue stitching. Very cool. Compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Now the interior part of the car looks absolutely nice. Love the orange, and then you got this matte finish right here, and then suddenly it jumps to black, so that's kind of cool. Like how they have the MG4 wording right here on the seats, and I also like how they have this suede texture like seats and leather finishing at the side to get all this blue stitching that's happening all over the place. So that's really damn cool. Now let's jump right in. Of course, you got your Morris garage carpet right there. You do have your glove compartment here also in this hard plastic, very nice. You do get your dashboard here in this leather like finish of a texture, or this PU finish. Hard plastic at the top here, hard plastic as well, fabric at the top right here. And you do have your mirrors located on this side. You got this frameless sort of mirror-like design, very nice. I like this a lot, and yeah, very cool indeed. So the center right here, I believe this should be your place where you keep your phone and P, and then the drive and reverse and whatnot over here. Handbrake right there, pull to release to place and whatnot. Your screen right here controls a lot of other stuff that you can actually control with. Cup holders located down here. You got extra storage places down here. Close that back. Underneath here, you got your USB-C as well as your Type-C located on this side, as well as your 12-volt socket for you to charge other devices that are also happening in your car. So down here, compartment storage down here, nut like to keep some stuff. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black. Love the blue wording and also the stitching on the seat. So that's kind of cool. So let's get right down. Show you guys how does the rear seat look like. So let's jump right into the back and show you guys the rear doors. First thing, you got the hard plastic at the top right here, amazing. You got this gloss black finish on this side. You got your handles in this grey finish, right, as I mentioned. And also you got this matte satin finish kind of a side door handles together with the mirror adjustments, sorry, the window adjustments. And also you got this leather finish on this side together with this hard plastic on that side, together with some blue stitching down here. You have the compartment storage down here, speaker locator right there. Once again, I love the orange cutting the matte surface in black, then jump right into the interior, which is also black and blue. Very, very nice indeed. Now let's jump right in and take a look at the rear so-called compartment storage. I believe I can keep my phone right here. You can slot your phone right in. Even right down here, you can keep other stuff. So that's kind of nice. I love the seats, man. Finishing of the seats are really cool, man. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. Seat belts are in black. You do have the finishing right here in the center also to be in full leather black. Love the suede finish-like texture. So at the center right here, you got your USB-C together with your compartment storage down there. And then the center right here, take a look at the view. It's amazing, man, what you guys are looking at. So roof lining was also in this fabric finish. Very nice. And this is me sitting right in the center, so comfortable. At the same time, the headroom is good. I like it. Let's open up the doors and jump right down and show you the tire size for the rear tires. Now you do get once again this two-tone finish, silver lining, black finishing, then you got your tires all over the place, right? Tire size is 215 50 R17, solid disc brakes at the back, brake calipers located right there, so it does look very nice. Damn, I like it. So let's now take a look at the rear boot design. This is one of a kind. So if you checked out my other video, we have had the lighting continuously going from there to here and very pointy, right? But in this case, for this particular unit, you don't get that, and it does look gorgeous indeed. Now we'll talk about the side here. The lights light up when you turn them on. In a while more, I'll show it to you. But the lights even light up over here, so that's kind of cool. You also get the lightings over here, here and here, together with on this side how it's pointy and sharp, angling downwards. Your signal indicator should be right here, and I believe your brake should be popping up on this side. So they're using the SAIC Vision LED lighting system, AC/DC charging sockets and whatnot happening all over the place right here. Very, very cool. Let's close this back and push it back down. And you don't get the winglets on this car, but it does have this amazing appearance, man. Dude, I like how what I personally would do is I would wrap the roof into this black finish where they have black over there, black over here, then this bottom bumper together with the side looks absolutely gorgeous, man. Together with this part, how it's black. So that's kind of cool, man. So you got your MG badging right here. Finally, you can feel this chrome finishing. You got your boot opening right here. So let's pull this up. You do have your MG4 electric wording on the right side. Number plate goes right here. Let's pull this open. Check out the boot space. Amazing storage space. You also get your warning triangle, some minor places where you can keep some stuff if they are short. And you do get your tire compressor together with your gel located right there. This, I believe, should be your charging cable, as I mentioned. Very cool. In my previous video, now let's keep this right here. Nice setup. Let's fold down the seats to show you guys how does this space look like. Now let's pull forward the front driver's seat a little bit using the handle right here. Okay, cool. So these ones are to adjust the backrest. That one is to adjust the front. So that is very nice indeed. I like it a lot. So manual is very much more easier and lesser risk in terms of any electronics getting in the way of warranty claims in the future. But yeah, check out the space, man. Looks very, very nice indeed. Love the space once you fold down the rear seats. Now let's fold down the other side and take a look, man. Amazing storage space for plenty more things that you can actually store. Now you can take off the center piece right here. You can take it off and you can, have a lot of more room to store tons of stuff at the back seat right here. Now let's jump right into the driver's side, first thing you have the unlock, lock, handles, window adjustments, this and that, matte finish happening all over the place, together with the leather finishing right here. You got this hard plastic on top right here. You do get leather finishing here, blue stitching right there. You got your compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Amazing lines, textured-like design, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Love the orange finish that's here together with the black finish, and then you got your black brake pedals, accelerator pedals together with your footrest, also in that finish, very nice. So now let's jump right in to the driver's side of things. First thing you'll notice is that, let's on the lights in a while more to show you guys, but nevertheless, check out the steering wheel, man. You do have this amazing controls right here. Of course, these ones I believe to control that screen, these ones to control this screen. You do have your wiper adjustments for the front and the back on this side right here, so that's kind of cool. You do have your signal adjustments on this side right here together with your lighting. You do have your side mirror adjustments down here, heights for the front mirror lights to be pointy which angle to open up the front hood over here. And yeah, as I mentioned, you got your drive, you got your reverse, parking, neutral, handbrake right here, place to keep your phone right there. Amazing storage space all over. So kind of cool, man. Love how it looks. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's side of things. Seat belts are in black. Once again, I love the blue wording right there together with the blue stitching all over the place. And yeah, glasses to keep right here together with your lightings, frameless mirrors right there, and also you get, yeah, it's amazing mirrors for you to check yourself, so that's kind of cool. So let's now turn on the front lights to show you guys how does the DRLs look like for the front. Amazing and sharp and pointy, man. You get what I mean? Does look absolutely gorgeous, man, dude. I love how this color actually looks in person with the orange. Gorgeous, man, dude. Amazing. Now let's take a look at the back lights. Let's pull this open once again and let's close the rear boot and take a look, man, dude. So in my other video you noticed that the lights actually continue, right? But this is a different spec, so you do get this beautifully blacked out center and you get to focus on the side, which is absolutely gorgeous indeed, man. Love the linings that we have right here with some gaps, and all of a sudden it continues and now it splits apart down here, very sharp and pointy. And I love they have the lights coming up on this side right here, so that's kind of cool, man. On the previous one, I mean the other video you've seen, they have some lighting over here as well, so that's kind of cool. Amazing, love it. Very nice. So the bottom, you got the matte finish of a rear diffuser. You got some grey finishing right here without the black lining. On the other model you have this black lining right here. Reflector over there, hard plastic, of course, in this matte finish down here. This should be your rear fog lamps located right here. Amazing, man. Tow hook goes right there. Sensors located all over the place. So gorgeous finish of a car like this indeed. So now let's turn on the signal indicators to show you guys how does the signal looks like. So side mirrors are located on this side. You get your turn indicators located right here. Amazing. Do have the turn indicators right now over on this side. So in the other video, if you notice, they are over here. And this spec of the model, it's over here. So very cool indeed. I love the lighting at the top. I like how the signal light actually blinks nearby where your white light actually is. Now let's jump right to the back and show you guys how does the back actually look like. And take a look. You get your signal blinking down here. This I believe will be either your reverse light or either your brake lights, I assume. Amazing. Take a look from this side. Very cool. Very, very cool indeed. Amazing light design. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about MG cars, do head down to their showroom here all the way near TTDI. They are alongside the highway. I believe you've seen this showroom before because it's super obvious. And they have tons of cars for you guys to take a look at, and absolutely in all sorts of colors of the exterior, including the interior. So yeah, in the description below you can find them and locate them and call up to find out more.